This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional advice of any kind. Always consult with your tax professional. Be sure to read this full disclosure. Listener discretion is advised.
Hi, I'm Kathy Cregan with Tax Magic Podcast. I'm a CPA of 40 years, and I'm going to let you in on a secret. The IRS website has a lot of stuff for you out there so that you can see what's happening. The first one I'm going to read today is about common tax return mistakes to avoid. If you avoid these, you will have a much more pleasant experience with the IRS. I'm not going to say it's going to be great, but you still won't get in trouble. The first one is filing too soon. When somebody comes in and they want to file today, which is like March 2nd, and they don't have anything from their broker yet, and we file without it, they get a notice, a matching notice. Then I get screamed at. So I suggest that you wait to file until you have all your documents. The second one is using an incorrect filing status. If you're married and you use single, or if you're single and you use married filing separately, something like that. Don't do it. That's going to cause you problems. The next one's inaccurate information. The taxpayers really need to pay attention when you're filing that your W-2 paper document or digital document matches what's on the tax return. If it doesn't, you're going to get a matching error. And again, yell at me. There's misspelled names or missing social security numbers. Now, my software will not let me file if I have a missing social security number, but it could be a wrong social security number and they let me file. So make sure that the name is spelled right and your social security number is accurate. The next one's credits and deductions. Now, there's a lot of new credits and a lot of new deductions this year, or I should say changed, that could potentially get you in trouble. The biggest one they audit out there is, for the most part, for general population, is the earned income credit. If you don't qualify for the earned income credit, don't take it. Don't fake your tax return so it looks like you take it or eligible to. They will catch you. Another one is an unsigned tax return. Now, the catch with the unsigned tax return is if you're e-filing, that's irrelevant. If you're paper filing, it's very relevant. And the last one of the common, in quotes, is that you use an incorrect bank account information. That will delay a refund or a payment, which might be a good thing. Not really. It'll delay you getting your refund. Once it gets kicked back to the IRS, it can be a nightmare getting it corrected. And if you have a question, you can ask my youngest child. It happened to him a few years ago and was a nightmare. His bank account was closed and they sent it back to the IRS and it took him a while to get it back. Now, I didn't help him. I made him do it himself because I'm a good mom that way. I bet she never does it again. So if you want to avoid these errors or these items that will cause delays in your tax return, double check it. Make sure it matches. And then file it. Even if you have a preparer filing it for you, double check their work. We're not perfect. We don't walk on water. And I'm pretty sure we do make mistakes. Not on purpose. That's why they're called mistakes and not fraud. By the way, we're going to take you from tax tragic to tax magic. Because the more you know, the less you owe. And we want to get it right.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional advice of any kind. Always consult with your tax professional. Be sure to read this full disclosure. Listener discretion is advised.